It's online shopping, right? So you can get all the materials, starts from your school dress to books, everything, right? You can get it by courier. So do you like the concept?
Yeah, it is good, but the concept is very good. You can get online, when you can do online shopping, you don't have to go to shops. It's very good for the old people, not for us. We actually like shopping, but it's good for the old people. They can
You actually like shopping? Yes, you can also come down there. There's 3 different showrooms. One is at Nagar Bazaar, College Street and City Center. So you can come down there, you can roam around, you can browse around and you can get all these. So do you like it?
yeah, I definitely like it.
Like the concept?
Yeah, even I like the concept. But the thing is, like what she said, that we like shopping, so we like going around and shopping ourselves. But online thing is good. Like suppose we need something urgently, so that we just can go online and just take it. So
Thank you very much.
thank you.
Do you like the concept?
Yeah, definitely. Why not? Online, if I can book everything.
And do you agree with the concept?
Yeah.
Okay, do you agree with the concept?
Yes.
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ অনলাইন শপিং করতে পারেন আপনারা সমস্ত স্কুল মেটেরিয়ালস আপনারা পেতে পারেন থ্রু অনলাইন মানে আপনারা যদি রেজিস্টার করেন আপনাদেরকে থ্রু ইন্টারনেট অথবা থ্রু SMS তাহলে হোম ডেলিভারি পেয়ে যাবেন এটা কি সমর্থন করেন
সমর্থন first you have to get the reliability that whatever the we will get orders you will get the same specification.
Definitely you will, definitely. Like starts from the school dress, tiffin boxes, water bottles, bags, shoes, everything you will get through online. Okay, and you can also visit the showrooms. One is at City Center, one is at Nagar Bazaar and one is at College Street. So you can come down there, you can shop around. Right, you will get everything under one roof. So do you like the concept? Do you agree with the concept?
We like the concept provided this specification of these dresses you can make this whatever the schools because they have their own their own what do you call that dress company. They are making all these dresses. That should be same specification. Then why not?
Okay, thank you. So you do you agree with the concept and you like the concept?
Yeah, concept is okay provided we get all this same quality or specification the school wants.
থ্যাংক ইউ থ্যাঙ্কস ফর টাইম আপনাদেরকে একটু জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারি আপনি নিশ্চয়ই শুনেছেন যেটা আমি বললাম তো আপনি এটা কি সমর্থন করেন অনলাইন শপিং
What he said is certainly actually every school has their own specification so that whatever you get for the material should be approved by the school.
everything like all the specifications you're talking about everything you will get what is actually required.
Exactly.
Everything you will get.
Okay, then it's certainly it's beneficial to us.
Thank you very much.
তো যেরকম বললো ব্যাপারটা তো একই যে আগে আমায় দেখতে হবে প্রাইসের ব্যাপারটা তো আগে দেখতে হবে সেইটা
Definitely মার্কেট প্রাইসের থেকে চিপ পাচ্ছেন
তাহলে ঠিক আছে তাহলে কোনো প্রবলেম নেই কোয়ালিটিটা দেখতে হবে কোয়ালিটিটা সেম কিনা এই একটা ব্যাপার আছে তারপরে অনলাইনে আজকে আমি দোকানে গিয়ে যে ডিসপ্লেটা দেখতে পাই অনলাইনে
এটা আপনি দেখতে পাচ্ছেন সিটি সেন্টারে একটা আছে নাগের বাজারে হবে এটা আর কি সিটি সেন্টার নাগের বাজার এবং কলেজ স্ট্রিটে সো শোরুমেও আপনারা এসে দেখে যেতে পারেন
হ্যাঁ তাহলে প্রবলেম নেই
আপনি কি মনে করেন
না ঠিক আছে ব্যাপারটা কিন্তু ব্যাপারটা যেটা ও বললো যে ঘটনাটা যে আমরা যেটা ওয়াইড স্কেলে সব জায়গায় দেখতে পাচ্ছি বা গিয়ে করতে পারছি এটা যদি সুযোগ পাওয়া যায় অনলাইনে ঘরে বসে পাওয়ার সুযোগ অবশ্যই একটা বড় ব্যাপার আছে কিন্তু তারপরে যেখানটা আপনার ডিসপ্লেটা করবেন সেখানে গিয়ে যদি আমরা জিনিসটা ভালো পেতে পারি তাহলে নিশ্চয়ই জনপ্রিয় হতেই পারে এটা তাতে আমাদের কোনো আপত্তি নেই আমরা সেটাকে ওয়েলকামই করবো সেটাকে
ডেফিনেটলি ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ আপনি কি মনে করেন
জাজমেন্ট করার সুযোগ পেলে নিশ্চয়ই আমরা সেটাকে সিলেক্ট করবো যদি দেখা যায় এটাতে অনেক সুবিধা পাচ্ছি আমরা নিশ্চয়ই আমরা এতে আসবো
অনেক ধন্যবাদ থ্যাংক ইউ ফ্রম জাস্ট স্কুল ইটস a new concept where you can do online shopping all right you'll get all the materials all the school materials under one roof at the lesser price than the market right so you can register yourself through online or by SMS and you'll get everything delivered at your place so do you like the concept
Yes, I do.
you do okay do you like
Yeah, it's a nice concept.
where do you shop
Normally we shop from general stores. There is nothing fixed. We shop from general stores. Like Forum, we go to Forum. There are some shops over there, and Just School is a shop. Only School is a shop. So we shop our normal.
so
Yeah.
Do you think anything negative in here, like online shopping or through SMS you can register yourself? Do you see anything which is negative?
No, not such. Nothing so.
Not after trying we'll get to know what is it. We then only will get to know is there something negative or not.
All right. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. Okay. Now, Just School. It's a new concept. It's online shopping, right? You can just register yourself through online or through SMS, and you'll get everything like all the school materials at your doorstep by courier at a cheaper price than market. Do you like the concept?
Yeah, it's fine. It's nice. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. It's a Just School. It's a new concept. You can do online shopping, right? You can get all the school materials like starts from the dresses, shoes, everything, books, exercise book, everything under one roof, less than the market price. Okay, you can just register yourself through online or through SMS, and everything will be delivered at your doorstep. Do you like the concept?
Yeah, it's good. Yes, it's good. It saves time.
And
And it saves
money.
money also.
Saves money, time, and it's fast. Then what to say?
It's a good concept that we don't have to go outside. We have to purchase things in such a great rush. We are sitting at our homes, and they are providing us and at our homes only. So it's a very good concept.
And what to say? Same that she said.
Do you see anything negative in here?
No, I don't think so. That
We will become more lazy to get outside.
Thank you very much, girls. Thank
Yes. Yeah, I really liked it. It's very good. We can do it in our home also, shopping very easily and at a lower price. I really liked it.
Yeah, it's easy to do not want to go anywhere. Yeah,
It would be nice if the things are delivered home.
Yes, it's good because we will get things online. We don't have to go anywhere. The things we will get online. It was good concept. I really liked it.
Okay, thank you. Do you see anything negative in here?
No, I don't find anything.
I too don't find any negative.
Nothing.
No.
Thank you very much, girls. Thanks.